Yes, my people, you don't know, say True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Right now, I go to Milk River in Clarendon, you know, so enjoy the tour. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos. That's the Jamaican Vibes are good, you know. So we're at toll gate right now. Yeah man, so I make a turn off right now. We're going to Milk River. Yeah man, that's the vibes, you know. Nice place to relax and enjoy yourself. Nice place from home. Yes my people, so right now I'm on my way to Milk River. Just again a tour of the area before we reach the river. Yeah man, it's a nice look. So you have a chain line right down there. Paper. Blessings, I'm lucky day today, man. Lucky day today, man. Blessings.
I know, long you over there,
Yeah? Yes, people, trust me, I'm tell you, say, I can show you what take place at Milk River and so, you know. When I come at the river, I realize, say, I don't see no water at all, so I don't know what happened. River dry up. See it there? No water. Yeah man, Milk River. No water. River dry. Yeah man. So we're at Milk River, Clarendon. Yeah man. So we're going to walk on the bridge now. As you can see. Just the father work still in us, so we just have to give God thanks same way. Place dry up. Just water come out of the pipe, you know. So no river again at Milk River. Them place used to come for a weekend time and have a good swim, but I realize place nothing now go on again. So a lot of things change. I don't know what cause it. First time upstream, used to full of water, a whole heap of people come out and hang out from different parishes and stuff for it. But nothing now go on now. So just have to give God thanks same way. Just talk to a bridge in a elderly man. I said, boy, couple of months now river dry and so. People, you know, see right now there Milk River Square. Yeah man. Again a tour of place, you know. So you know you have Milk River Police Station. Yeah man, that's the vibes. Yeah. Blessings my people. So right now I'm in Milk River. As you can see right now. Milk River Hotel and Minerals Spa. Thank you for coming. So blessings, my people. One love and one heart. Just like going a tour of the place. We're gonna see where I go on. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So because of the virus, a lot of things happening. Cannot do as much attraction as we wanted to do. So just giving you a tour of the place. Outside view. One love and one heart. So yeah man, I'm giving a tour of the local river, you know. Very quiet place.